Hello guys, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to my other unboxing and review of the new Audio Technica ATH M50X BT. So let's quickly start off with the unboxing of the headphone. So when you open the box, you will find the carrying case themselves. This carrying case is made out of leather. It feels really good in your hands when you hold this carrying case, and it feels really soft. It's made out of leather. So inside the carrying case, you get the Audio Technica ATH M50X BT headphones themselves. So these are the headphones themselves, the Audio Technica ATH M50X BT. Now let's talk about the price of this headphones. This headphone retail for rupees 16,000. Now let's talk about the build quality. The build quality of this headphone is very good. It is built like a tank. It feels really solid and it feels very durable. You can stretch this headphone. Nothing will happen. It is very incredibly durable in terms of build quality. So the build quality is 5 out of 5. I'll give 5 out of 5 in terms of build quality. It's very good. Even the side head adjustment hinges are made out of metal. It feels really solid in hands. Now let's talk about the battery life of this headphone. This headphone has a monstrous battery life of 45 hours. You can travel with this headphone for more than a week's time. So the battery life is incredible in this. It has a great battery life. The battery life of 45 hours is too good. Next, let's talk about the comfort of this headphone. These headphones are really damn comfortable. You can wear this headphone straight for 6 to 7 hours. It's that comfortable. You won't know the headphone is there in your head. It's that comfortable. People who are going for a long journey can use this headphone and they can wear this headphone for hours and hours. It's very comfortable. In terms of comfort also, it's really good. Next, let's talk about the main thing, which is the sound quality. The sound quality of this headphone is amazing. It's obviously Audio Technica, so you will expect a great sound quality out of it. This headphone has a 40 mm driver. It delivers all the music very crystal clear, whether you're listening to classical music, EDM, rock, hip hop. The thing is, you will get only detail out of this headphones and you will not miss a single detail out of it. The instrumental separation and the sound stage will be incredibly wide and you'll hear a lot of it out of this headphones. What you don't hear out of the other headphones, you'll get all the bit of detail in this headphone. It is mainly focused in detail and clarity. So people who are an audiophile will love this headphone because this is an audiophile grade headphones. Audio Technica is very famous in terms of that. You can use this headphone in your studio, or people who are a DJ will use this headphone. It can be used via a 3.5 mm jack and you can connect this headphone in your amplifier device also. It supports really good in that. So it's an all-rounder in terms of sound quality. You can use it in your amplifier device. You can use it via a 3.5 mm cable in your mobile and you can use this headphone wirelessly. So in terms of sound quality, this 10 out of 10. It's really comfortable also in terms of comfort, and sound quality is great. You'll listen all the details out of this headphones and it'll be really good in terms of sound quality. I ensure people will love this headphones in terms of sound quality. Audio Technica focuses mainly on only sound quality. Next, let's talk about the microphone quality of this headphones. This headphone has a really great microphone. The other party will hear your voice really clearly, so there will be no issue in terms of call quality. Finally, let's talk about the control schemes of this headphone. This headphone, left hand side ear cup, this is a volume up button, this is a volume down button, and this is a play pause button. And this is the power on and power off button. If this is down, it's power off. If you crank the volume, if you crank this button on top, it will switch on. Finally, let's talk about the audio codec of this headphone. This headphone uses aptX HD, so you'll get a really good high quality audio out of it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.